This is Wimberley Hall, room 117, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how the audio-video system works in here. Here at the teacher station, right in the middle is our controller. In the upper left-hand part of the controller here is the display area. Right now, off is highlighted, which is why the projector's off. I'll press the on button. That powers the projector on. It takes about a minute for the projector to power up. You'll know it's ready once that green light that's on there stops blinking and it's just a solid green. While that's happening, I'm going to be patient, and then I'm going to go ahead and log on to the computer. The keyboard tray is underneath here. I'm going to follow the directions on the screen then. Control-Alt-Delete to begin. I'll read the responsible use and click OK. My username is my 8.4 UWL username, just like the beginning of my UWL email. The password is my UWL net ID. And then I'm going to make sure this third line is log on to Eagle so that I can get onto the Eagle domain. Now that I've logged onto the computer, I need to make sure it's going to show up on the projector. I'm going to hit the PC button on the right-hand side of the controller so that the PC is sent to the screen in the front of the room. The document camera is located on the left-hand side of the desk. The power button is on the right-hand side. The advanced features are on the top. The zoom wheel will zoom in and out. There's an auto and a manual focus. I'm going to want to make sure to stay on that autofocus unless I'm doing something real active where my focal length is changing a lot. Then I'm going to hit the document camera button on the controller so that the document camera shows up on the screen in the front of the room. Underneath the document camera here is a DVD VCR. If I want to play a VHS tape, I put it in on the right-hand side. A DVD goes in on the left. And then I can use either the front panel controls or the DVD remote in order to play. And I'm going to hit the corresponding button on the controller. VCR for a VHS tape, DVD for a DVD. Once the DVD is playing, I can use this volume knob to adjust the volume up or down. And I'm going to note that that volume knob is going to be used for any device we have here, whether it's a video on your PC or something on your laptop or another device or the DVD VCR. That volume knob is going to control your audio. All the connections you need to connect your laptop are here in the desk, including a power supply, so you can plug your computer right in there and not have to rely on the battery or running your cable across the floor. There's a video cable, an audio cable, and a network cable. I'll plug the video cable into my computer and the audio cable into the headphone jack on my laptop. This audio cable is what can be used for any other device that you might have, your iPod, your MP3 player, whatever it is. You plug that in and then make sure the laptop button is pressed on the controller because the audio and the video switch together, and then you can play whatever it is you have over our sound system. So I'll go ahead and plug that into my laptop. Then I'm going to press the laptop button over on the controller. Then, if my laptop does not show up on the screen, it's probably because I haven't told my laptop to have an external projector connected to it. The way I'm going to ensure that is on the bottom row, I'm going to hold down the function key on my Windows keyboard and then press the F8 key. On some computers, it's going to bring up a nice little menu like this. On others, it will scroll through these modes automatically, so you may have to tap that F8 key a couple of times. I'm going to choose the duplicate mode so that whatever I'm showing on my screen is also going to show up on the screen in the front of the class. When I'm all finished with whatever it is I'm doing, I'm going to come back over to the controller and I'm going to press the off button on the display. That will power the projector down, and that's important so that we can save the life of the projector bulb. The last thing I'll mention is that on the desktop here is a written form of what I've just told you on this video, and in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. We're here to help you, so if you have any questions or ever need anything, please give us a call.